Hello, Jim Stroud here. Do you have an iPhone? If so, I'm about to share a tip with you that will make your life just a little bit easier. Stay tuned. If you're like me, you send a lot of text messages. And if you send a lot of text messages, then you're going to really appreciate this next tip because I'm going to show you how to automate some of your text messaging by using texting shortcuts. What's a texting shortcut? Let me explain. So this is how you create a texting shortcut. First, you go to Settings on your iPhone. Inside Settings, choose General and then Keyboard. And from here, choose Text Replacement. Once on the text replacement page, click the plus sign here. Now you're ready. Simply add the phrase you want. In this case, quote, "On my way, see you soon," end quote. And the keyword to trigger it, in this case, OMW. Now, when texting someone and I type in the phrase OMW, the phrase attached to it, "On my way, see you soon," will appear as an option. I simply click it and my program phrase is ready to go. Now, if I ever wanted to remove that shortcut, I would simply return to the text replacement page, click the edit link here, and make changes from there. It's so easy.